This is how you register your salon business on Pesabook. First, you go to www.pesabook, or you can search Pesabook on your Google. Then you click on Pesabook. From clicking on Pesabook, you go down and you say get started because you haven't been on the platform before. You register your name. After registering your name, you go ahead and register your company name. For example, your salon is Gail's Beauty Parlor. Then you'll register your email. Then you'll add your phone number. Then you'll enter your preferred password. Then you'll create your account. The moment you get inside the site, you'll get your details already there on the personal information. Then you'll want to add your address there. My salon will be in Kahawa Sukari. Then you'll save your changes. Then your profile will be updated automatically. Then you'll come here and you'll record the services that you're doing. If you have more than one branch, you'll record where your other branches are. Then you'll do the expense categories after putting your services. So we'll start by adding the services here. We'll come here and add a service. We will name our service. Since our salon has braiding as our first service, then we'll put the cost of the service. Braiding will cost it at 2,000 shillings. Then the commission, which will be 10%, will be 200 shillings to the person doing the service. Then we'll add our first service as braiding. Then we'll also add another service, hair wash. We'll cost this service at 500 shillings and the commission being 50 shillings to the person performing this service. That will be 10%. We'll also add another service called weaving and we'll cost it at also 2,000 shillings. Our commission will be 200 shillings. You can add as many services. We will scroll down and come to add staff. I being the owner, I'll be already there. Then I'll add members. Then our first staff will be Sheila. Then we'll add her email. Then we'll add her number. Then we'll add her address. We'll add her role. We'll say she's the manager of the branch. Then we'll add member. After adding Sheila, we'll go back and add another member of the team. Then her name will be Caro Mweni. Then we'll add her email there. Then we'll add her phone number. Then we'll add her address. It will be Kahawa Sukari. Her role will be staff. Then she'll be a full-time employee. Then we'll most definitely go back. This will be just the setting up of your team and the services they offer. So when a client comes to your premise, you'll do what? You'll record a sale. Okay. We'll now record our first sale. We'll say the client name is Jen Wamboi and we'll record her number. After recording a number, we'll say the date to which she came to your premise and the time. Then we'll describe her to be female. And then we'll say the service she wants first is hair wash, then braiding. The total will be automated here and it will say if she has paid or not. We'll create a cell. So the moment you create a cell, the cell will be automated here and the client will get a message on their phone just telling them that the cell has been created. And immediately you finish with the cell, you will come here and say record payment. Once she's paying, it will automate here. Immediately you'll come here, you'll record the amount of money she'll have paid, and then whether it's cash or card or mobile payment, and then you'll do the reference here, and then it will send message to meaning that the sale has been paid and it will be completed here. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you manage your salon business on Pesabook.